students, today we will start a new chapter. It's a poem Leisure by W.H. Davis. So what do you mean by leisure? Leisure means any free time. So according to the poet, it's asking that in free time we should enjoy our life. So let's begin the poem. What is this life if full of care? We have no time to stand and stare, no time to stand beneath the boughs and stare as long as sheep and cows. It is talking that we cannot, according to the poet, wants to say that our life is not pure. We cannot call it as a pure life because we have no time. We are so busy in our life that we forget to stay in certain place and enjoy our life, enjoy the natural beauty, whatever spreading around all around us. We do not have that time, so we are so busy, so we cannot call it as a pure life, as it is full of worries and anxiety. They are telling, according to the poet, that we have no time to stand under the branches of the tree and see the beauties of the nature. Even we don't have the time to see the sheep and cows who are grazing in the grassland, and we don't have time to see them also. So these sheep and cows are better than us because they are enjoying life, according to the poet. So next line, no time to see when woods we pass, when squirrels hide their nuts in grass, no time to see in broad daylight streams full of stars like skies at night. According to these four lines, the poet wants to say that when we woods means when woods we pass, it means that when we pass through the forest, any forest, we don't have the time to stand there at a certain place and enjoy the natural beauty. And even we don't have the time to see the squirrels, which is small animals like squirrels who hide their nuts in grass for winter. So all these things, the poet wants to say that it's a poor life, that we cannot enjoy these things. And he is talking that during daytime, when the light falls in the stream, it sparkles like the stars which used to be sparkle at skies at night. It sparkle like that, and they are personified. No time to turn at beauty's glance and watch her feet how they can dance. No time to wait till her mouth can enrich the smile her eyes begin. But in this, they are talking about a girl who is a dancing girl and who has a smiling face. But in this poem, it is relating to the nature. It is personified. The natural beauty is personified as a beautiful girl. But we don't have the time to even see this. We are so busy in life, we cannot stand at a certain place and enjoy that, all the things. So the poet's a poor life, this a full of care, we have no time to stand and share. So this last line, he wants to tell that it should be, our life is a poor life. He is regretting that our life is a full of worries, and this life we can call it as a poor life because we are so busy that we cannot stand at a certain place and enjoy the everything of whatever the natural beauty all around us. So this is the thing that W.H. Davis want to say to us, that we are so busy in our day-to-day life that we are forgetting to love our nature, to love whatever is all around us, whatever things are surrounding us, we should enjoy that. So but we are so becoming so busy in life. So this much is the poem. The poem is, the poet wants to say us. With this, thank you very much. And in the next class we will start a new chapter, teacher's fee. With this, thank you very much for watching.